Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your Android version and freeing a few hundred megabytes so the live wallpaper can run smoothly. Next, choose the source: a dedicated live wallpaper app, a gift-to-live conversion, or a short MP4. Install the chosen app from Play Store and grant storage and display permissions when prompted. Once done, exclude the app from aggressive battery optimization in settings so it won't pause. Make sure you know whether you want full screen or lock screen only. That affects the next steps. Open the live wallpaper app and import your GIF or MP4 or pick a built-in scene. Configure resolution and frame rate. Lower settings save battery but reduce smoothness, so balance for your device. Crop or fit to your home screen aspect ratio, typically 16:9 for phones, so nothing is cut off. If available, disable audio to avoid interference. Use the app's preview to confirm motion, speed, and looping behavior before applying. Once satisfied, tap Set Wallpaper to proceed to system selection. When you tap Set Wallpaper, Android will prompt you to apply it to the home screen, lock screen, or both. Choose as needed. After applying, navigate around your device to assess performance and battery impact. Make subtle tweaks like lowering frame rate or reducing resolution if animations stutter. If animation fails, clear the app cache, restart the phone, or reinstall the app. Make sure background data and permissions remain allowed. If problems persist, switch to a lighter scene or convert to a static image to preserve battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.